Alright, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe I have... that's interesting. Alright, so I think I turned the gain up really high on my desktop. I didn't really know I could do. Alright. As with most things, I learned by accident. Feeling pretty emo today, in a good way. I'm emo positive. Emo but determined. So I fixed the issue yesterday with the fonts. It was probably another like 4 hours, which is crazy. Oh, not that crazy actually, could have been way longer. I realized, you know, there's red herrings in this stuff, and I realized I was looking at like, you know, the big error, and then as I was unpacking it, I was realizing like, oh, okay. I think that it can't find any fonts, but then it's showing this one font, which I didn't really realize that's what it was, but then I started like trial and error, installing fonts on different servers, shit like that. And I was like, okay, well what happens if I make it, you try and use that font, and it won't. So yeah, the fonts just won't install properly. So I've just set it to only use that font for now. Today I'm going to work through some styling issues. There's this thing, I think I might have to let it go, but I probably won't. Just to break it down, it is to do sizing and layout. It's probably the main thing, honestly. So I'm going to try something and not write another list element, because it's just always, everything's always more complicated than you think, not less. Okay. Alright, let's fire Nova up, tell them what we're up to. It's super slow at the moment. You know what it is? It's because I'm like logged in to the EASIA. Okay, you know what? So I'm going to put a second one here. Speed and performance. I need to like get my tablet up on something that's like higher than my keyboard by a little bit. Okay, so this part's working pretty well. I'm getting a bit worn out on testing it the way that I am. You know what? We can do a little like video. Hey there, Sam crew. It's Sam, your boy, coming at you from the grain silos that are filled with my family's heirlooms and relics. Today, we're going to go inside this big cylinder and we're going to walk down the spiral staircase that descends into the bottom of the planet. And you're going to see what makes us the oldest immortal crew of all time. And then, when we think we're completely finished, we're going to come out the other side and meet opposite Sam. He's crazy, like me, but he's locked up in an insane asylum, whereas I escaped because our country has slightly weaker steel, and that translates to buckles and clasps that are not able to contain me. So let's get down.